Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this luxurious 5-bedroom villa nestled in the serene, gated community of Coral Spring, Trelawny. This spacious, fully furnished house offers a tranquil retreat with breathtaking mountain views that instantly captivate. Each of the 5 bedrooms boasts an ensuite bathroom, providing ultimate comfort and privacy. Located approximately 35 minutes from Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay and a short drive from the vibrant town center of Falmouth. This villa is perfectly situated for convenience and relaxation. The property also features a swimming pool and outdoor space perfect for unwinding in the tropical sunset. It also includes two unfurnished one-bedroom apartments, offering potential for rental income or guest accommodations. Whether you're seeking a serene getaway or an investment opportunity, this villa provides a unique blend of luxury, comfort, and convenience in one of Trelawny's most desirable communities. Don't miss the chance to make this stunning mountain view villa your home. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this villa is US 5,000 or Jamaican 795,000 per month. To rent this villa, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.